mo sabi? Gwapo naman ako ah! Di ba? Siyempre. Tutukan mo!
Ayoko nga! Wholesome ako, no?
Jetli! Chung-chang, ching-chang, chung-chang, Para sa'yo.
Para sa akin to?
Hindi, hawakan mo lang. Tunay na tunay! Gets mo? Gets ko!
Op! Hindi pa tayo close. Gets mo?
Gets ko!
Perfect combination!
Star Records gives you an album fortified with enormous kid power. Shaina. Catch Shaina Magdayo in her self-titled debut album, featuring one-of-a-kind songs like lullabies that will keep you awake, hits that will make you want to munch, and songs that will tell you how wonderful a kid's world is. Shaina, now available on CDs and cassettes from Star Records, makers of certified hits. You love her. She loves you. Then something went wrong.
I need my freedom. Kaya please, pakawalan mo muna ako.
Sigurado may nabanggit siya sa'yo. Sikreto ba?
Hindi ko pwede sabihin sa'yo.
May iba na ba?
Tinanong mo ba?
Janet, sorry.
She loves her too. Star Drama Theater presents Paolo this Saturday, 8:30 p.m. only on ABS-CBN.
Isang sigurista.
Ang marumi sahig, di lang wawalisin, iis-isin. Ang mancha, di lang kukuskusin, ulit-ulitin.
Nasanay ka kasi sa panlabang mo. Ang bagay sa sigurista, panlabang kahit na di umulit-ulit, sigurado. All new Breeze Power. Mas kinabisa, kaya sigurado. Sa unang laba, tapos ang matinding mancha.
Unang laba pa lang, sigurado ka na. From Unilever.
This is the new feel of clean. New Johnson's pH 5.5 Body Wash. Just a drop on the puff creates richer leather, softer clean. New Johnson's pH 5.5 Body Wash.
Sa trabaho ni Diego, isip at katawan ng puhunan. At pagod ang palaging kalaban. Kaya araw-araw, pinapapaunan ko siya ng pampabuhay.
Revicon, sagana sa vitamina, mineral at iron. Buhay ang dugo, buhay ang lakas. Laban sa araw-araw na pagod. Revicon, buhay ang dugo, buhay ang lakas.
With conditioner, my hair is stronger, more flexible. When my hair is strong, I can be whatever I want to be.
Pantene Moisture Lock Conditioner locks moisture deep inside the hair to make your hair healthier and strong enough to withstand hair breakage by up to 90%. Pantene Moisture Lock Conditioner.
When my hair is strong and flexible, I feel free to be myself.
Strength. That's Pantene, the power of healthy hair.
Nestle introduces New Nido Fortified.
New Nido Fortified has special nutrients for body and mind. It's the only milk with Prebio 1, the natural fiber that helps build defenses against gastrointestinal problems. New Nido Fortified is also rich in iron and EFA for optimum brain development. I recommend New Nido Fortified, especially to my own child.
Recommended for your toddler's body and mind.
Ano ang tatak ng sigurista?
Ang malikabok na mesa, di lang pupunasan, pakikintabin. Ang matinding mancha, para sigurado, Breeze ang gagamitin. Sa unang laba, tapos ang mancha.
Thursday, late at night.
If you have beauty inside, you're beautiful. If you have both, that will help a lot.
If you wear glasses, you're the nerdy type, but now it's an accessory. Every time I wear a new frame, that's always the top seller.
It's a change of lifestyle. We're just a shortcut, just to make sure they have the willpower to do it.
Beauty experts reveal how much it pays to be beautiful in Martin Late at Night. Thursday, right after assignment. Only on ABS-CBN.
Ang gaspang kayang yakapin ang pure soft downy. Nadama mo na ba? Pure soft ginhawa. Nadama mo na ba? Ngayon, damhin mo na ba ang pure soft downy? Pure soft downy. Malaya ka na. Pure softness sa bawat galaw. Pure soft na tatanging haplos ng Downy.
Beautiful, but it can still get better. Keep practicing.
I know it can get better pag tinuloy-tuloy.
Parang Sunsilk, beautiful hair is only the beginning. Pag tinuloy-tuloy with regular nourishment, Sunsilk with Fruitamins in the Nutrilife Complex makes hair grow more and more beautiful. Tuloy-tuloy lang.
Ganun ka-simple.
Buhok na paganda ng paganda with Sunsilk Nutrient Shampoo from Unilever.
Buhay linggo. Buong mundo, tila kay gaan. Bawat oras, kay bagal, kay sarap. Sa Jollibee, kapiling ka, kasalo ka, magpasalamat, magsaya. Buhay linggo sa Jollibee.
From internet to cable, satellite, and cellular, the new PLDT leads in convergence, keeping you ahead in this changing world. The power of convergence. PLDT.
Tonight, the military belies reports of a mass buildup of MILF rebels in Lanao del Norte, and the Court of Appeals issues a preliminary injunction preventing the SEC from recommending the prosecution of at least 11 individuals and brokers. These and more in The World Tonight at 10:30 on the ABS-CBN News Channel.
Tandaan mo, huwag ka magsusumbong kahit kaninong mabiging kayahiya ka. Pati pamilya natin.
Isa lamang po ito sa 368 kaso ng pang-aabuso buwan-buwan. Sila na walang ibang kaagapay. Sila na wala halos gumagabay sa pinakamadilim